Good morning, students. Today we will read about the chapter The National Movement and Independence. India suffered under the oppression of the British rule. Although the revolt of 1857 could not achieve its main objective, but it did give rise to the image of India as a united nation. The people of India began to realize that they were being exploited by the British, and the policies of the British were only made for their own benefit and not for the benefit of Indians. Nationalism. The second half of the 19th century saw people from different sections of the society united against the oppressive rule of the British. There was a true feeling of a common national identity, and people rose beyond regional and social boundaries to fight a common enemy. This unity gave a lot of strength, and people started working in their own capacities towards the freedom of India from British rule. Rise of national consciousness. 1870s and 1880s. Political associations formed, it led by English educated professionals such as lawyers. Some of the important associations were Purna Sarvajanik Sabha, the Indian Association, the Madras Mahajan Sabha, the Bombay Presidency Association, the Indian National Congress. Dissatisfaction with British rule. Associations functioned in specific parts of the country, worked with the idea that India should be sovereign. Two acts of British. Arms Act 1878, the Vernacular Press Act 1878, Albert Bill 1883. The bill sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country. Britishers opposed the bill, forced government to withdraw it. The Indian National Congress 1885 was established when 72 delegates from all over the country met at Bombay in December 1885. The prominent among those were Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tyabji, W.C. Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Ramesh Chandra Dutt, S. Subramania Iyer. A retired British official, A.O. Hume, helped in the formation of Indian National Congress. A nation in the making. The Congress in the first 20 years was moderate in its objective and methods. Congress wanted better representation of Indian in Legislative Council. Demands of Congress related to government and administration. Civil servant examination to be held in India, not just in London. Separation of judiciary and executive, repeal of the Arms Acts, freedom of speech and expression. Economic demand of Congress. Reduction of revenue, cut in military expenditure, more fund for irrigation. Freedom is our birthright. By 1890s, critics of moderates Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai. They believed in self-rule, Swaraj. Tilak said, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." Partition of Bengal. In 1905, Viceroy Curzon partitioned Bengal, which included Bihar and part of Odisha. Government separated Bengal as East and West. Main reason for partition: British gives reason of administrative convenience. The main motive of British was to curtail the influence of Bengal politician, to split the Bengal people, to divide Hindu and Muslim. Result of the partition. All sections of Congress, the moderates and radicals, opposed it. Large public meetings and demonstrations were held to protest the part. Movements started in Bengal and other part of India also. Swadeshi movement in Bengal and Vande Mataram movement in Deltaic Andhra. Muslim League formed and it demands. All India Muslim League 1906, formed by Muslim landlords and Nawabs. It supported the partition and demanded for a separate electorate for Muslim. In 1907, Congress split and again reunited in 1915. Next year, both signed Lucknow Pact and decided to work together for representative government in India. First World War 1919 and the growth of mass nationalism. War altered the economic and political situation in India. Rise in defense expenditure, increased taxes on individual incomes and business profits. Demand for war supplies created difficulties for the common people. On the other hand, war reaped fabulous profit for business group. It created demand for industrial goods like jute bags, clothes, rails. Indian industries expands and business groups demand greater opportunities for development. The advent of Mahatma Gandhi. South Africa started movement against racial restriction. In 1915, Gandhi came to India from South Africa, wanted to understand the people, the needs and the overall situation. Spent first year in traveling and understanding Indians. Participated in local movements like Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad. Came to be contact with Rajendra Prasad and Vallabhbhai Patel. The Rowlatt Act, introduced by the British in 1919. According to this act, any Indian could be arrested without trial in the court of law. The act curbed fundamental rights such as the freedom of expression and strengthened police powers. Nationalist leaders opposed Rowlatt Act. Mahatma Gandhi, Muhammad Ali Jinnah criticized the act as a dwellish. Mahatma Gandhi launched a satyagraha against the Rowlatt Act. To suppress them, British used brutal measure. Example, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Gandhiji wanted Hindu and Muslim support each other for just cause. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. On 13th April 1919, a peaceful public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, to protest against the arrest of Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichlew. The Jallianwala Bagh was walled and had a single exit. General Dyer blocked the exit and ordered the troops to open fire with the intention of killing the people and develop a feeling of fear among the masses. In this massacre, thousands perished and many more were injured. It is one of the most ghastly incidents in the history of human civilization. Rabindranath Tagore was so disturbed by the brutal killings that he returned his knighthood as a protest against the British. Khilafat agitation and the non-movement. Khilafat launched by two brothers, Muhammad and Shaukat Ali on anti-British attitude as British threatened the welfare of Turkey by weakening the Caliph's position. It was supported by Gandhi and the Indian National Congress to pave the way for Hindu-Muslim unity. Main aims of the non-cooperation movement. They demand for Swaraj. They wanted to reduce the wrongs against Punjab. Methods adopted in the non-cooperation. Thousands of students left government-controlled schools and colleges. Many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Rajagopalachari and Asaf Ali gave up their practices. British titles were surrendered and legislatures boycotted. People lit public bonfires of foreign cloth. People's Initiative. Non-cooperation became non-violent in most of the places. Some interpreted Gandhi's message in their own ways. People's Initiative were in Kheda, Pattidar peasants against highland revenue. In Andhra and Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were picketed. Tribal and poor peasants started forest satyagraha against new forest law. In Sindh and Bengal, support Khilafat movement. In Punjab, Sikh demanded to remove corrupt mahants from gurdwaras. In Assam, tea garden labourers demanded to increase wages. Gandhi referred to as Gandhi Raja. People's Mahatma. Some thought of Gandhi as Masiha. Some credited him with their achievement. Tribals and peasants undertook action that did not conform to his idealism. The happenings of 1922 to 1929. In February 1922, police station in Chauri Chaura set fire, 22 policemen killed. Mahatma Gandhi felt sad and called off NCM. Gandhi's followers start constructive work. Chhataraj Das and Motilal Nehru wanted to fight election to the council. Bhagat Singh revolutionary took active part. In 1927, British sent commission headed Simon. In 1929, with Jawaharlal Nehru, the Congress fight for Purna Swaraj. The March to Dandi. Gandhi and other nationalists believed sinful to tax salt. In 1930, Gandhi started march to break the salt law. March from Sabarmati coastal town to Dandi. March to 240 miles. They made salt from sea water. In 1935, the Government of India Act Provincial Autonomy. 1937, the government elections to the provincial legislatures. Congress formed government in 7 out of 11. 1939, Second World War broke out. Congress leaders ready to support British on condition of independence after the war. British refused and Congress resigned in protest. Quit India and later. August 1942, Quit India movement started by Gandhiji. Gandhiji urged people do or die. Gandhi and other leaders arrested, but movement spread. People set up their own government. By the end of 1943, 90,000 arrested, 1,000 killed. The rebellion brought the British Raj to its knee. Towards independence and partition. In 1940, Muslim League moved resolution demanding independent state, not partition nor Pakistan. Provincial election of 1930 convinced the League that Muslims were a minority. Congress did well in general constituencies and League succeeded in getting reserve seat for Muslim. Failure of cabinet. In March 1946, three-member cabinet mission sent to Delhi to suggest suitable framework for independence. After the failure of cabinet mission, the Muslim League demand for Pakistan, 16th August 1946, Direct Action Day, riots broke out in Calcutta, thousands were dead. By March 1947, violence spread in North India, millions people forced to flee from their home, tortured and killed. Pakistan, a new country was born. Many cities of India changed. Joy of independence intermingled with the pain and violence of partition. Sisters became separated.